That actually brings me on to something that people ask a lot in the comments for years and years. Every time, oh! Okie dokie. Oh! Bloody hell is happening? Bloody hell, when things go wrong, they go wrong. Aircon unit, kitty toy. I'm assuming one of my lovely fur babies left this here for me as a present. I don't even know what I was saying now. I was saying about how to take off my t-shirt whenever I do my makeups at the end, and now I don't know what to do. I'm scared something else is going to happen. You know what? Let's just, yeah. Boop. Hey Fluffies, welcome back to Pinkstylist Place, and welcome to my hand being wrapped in the cold. Oh, I gestured too emphatically. I'm wrapped up in my cold. I'm genuinely wrapped up in my cold.
That's gotta go in the blooper. That's gotta go in the bloopers, definitely.
Yeah, you can put your hand in. Oh my god.
What do I do?
Wait.
Oh my god.
I can't really help you with this.
Help!
How? I can't move my hand.
I don't know, scream for Graham.
Marty, go help.
Somebody call Graham.
So then, once everything is nicely stuck down, we can take another paper-based cotton bud. So then, once everything is really nicely stuck down, we can take another cotton bud and some more Pro Stick and start blending the edges. So with this prosthetic, blending the edges. So with this, blending the edges. So with this, blending the edges. So with this specific, blending the edges. So with this specific, blending the edges. So with this specific prosthetic, there really isn't much to blend other than obviously around the edge, around the mouth and the eyes. No, that applies to almost any prosthetic. Why did I say that? Hello. Okay. Next makeup tutorial. No, I don't say makeup tutorial. That sounded weird. As I was saying it, that sounded wrong. Hello. Okay. Next makeup. No. Next tutorial. So just before I prop on my foam latex prosthetic, I will do a full video about this in the future, but for now I'll just quickly... And just before I pop on my full... I want to just quickly mention how to take off the pieces. I will do a full video... I will do a full video on this in the future, but I like to use something called Telesis Super Solve. Now this product is amazing. I got it, where did I get it? Oh, god damn it, do it again. I will do a full video on it. Oh my god, come on, get words out, speak properly, damn. And just before I apply my foam latex prosthetic, I just want to quickly go over how to remove it. I will do a full video of that in the future, but for now I just want to quickly address some questions that some people have, and that was Pokemon Go. I'm very sorry. I thought my phone was on silent. Oh, for fluff's sake. Hang on, what we got? Oh, there's an Electrode. Hello. One moment. Don't have Electrode yet. Oh. You will be mine. Electrode, Diglett, Nidoran, Mankey, Venusaur, Rattata, Fearow, Pidgey, Seaking, Jolteon, Dragonite, Ghastly, Ponyta, Vaporeon, Poliwrath, Butterfree. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. Where the bloody hell did that come from? I can't do basic maths. I call it Electro, by the way. I can't do basic maths, but I can remember the words to the Pokemon rap. Pokerap. You know, the sad thing is, I think I know the entire thing. Let's save that for another day. A future fluff up. Maybe. Oh, God. Gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon. At least my mum's proud of me. Oh god. Hey Fluffies, once again, I'm about to start my next FX makeup tutorial. Oh. Honestly, I'm sitting here trying to think of a name for this makeup and I'm coming up blank. All I keep thinking of is some kind of BDSM demon or bone furry. Oh god, Uwu demon. Oh, I've said it now, it's canon. Uwu demon. Okie dokie, so to start this makeup off, we're not going to need to block out our eyebrows or do anything to our hair for once. Yes, I know that's weird. All we're going to need, really, is a collection to... No. Oh, come on. Crowlan. It's not Collection 2000, it's Crowlan. Let's do that again. Okie dokie, so to start the makeup off... Okie dokie, so to start the makeup off, we're not going to need to block out our eyebrows or do anything to our hair. Weird, I know. All we're going to need is a collection to... Luff. Why? Why do I want to say Collection 2000 so bad? Come on. Okie dokie, so to start this makeup off, we're going to be blocking out... No, we're not going to... Okie dokie, so to start this makeup off, we're not going to need to block out our eyebrows or pop on a ball cap. We're just going to use a No, I was right. I was right. Oh. Okie dokie, so to start this makeup off, we're not going to need to block out our eyebrows or pop on a ball cap. We're just going to be using one product. Oh. Okie dokie, so to start this makeup off, we're not going to be blocking out our eyebrows or popping on a ball cap. We're just going to really need one product, and that is a Krollen TV face paint liner. Okie dokie, so to start this makeup off, we're not going to need to block out our eyebrows or pop on a ball cap. All we're really going to need is one product, and that is a Krollen face liner pencil. It's a What's that? I'm just not going to record it. What was that?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank you. It's wonderful to meet you both. I'll see you in the next video. Next video? Just say I'll see you next video.
Yeah.
Wow. That is so ingrained in my brain. Me. No, sorry. I'll speak to you soon. What? Alright, bye Fluffy.
Bye.
I'm 31 and I'm dressed as a flower. I love my life. So a lot of people, when they get their lenses, store them in the little jars they come in, and you could really kind of do that, I guess, but it would eventually dry out. Same for if you get these types. I like to use the little barrel ones personally, because then they're like airtight and they won't dry out. Plus they do keep really nice and hydrated, and they look kind of cool. You look through the glass and actually see which lens. Oh, me! The bloody hell was that? The bloody hell? I'm really what the my Jack-in-the-Box just went off. It's on a shelf by the window. I don't know if it got hot or something, but it just... Oh, that's really freaked me out. I just heard this noise in the corner of the room that really scared me. I think I'm gonna, let's just put you back in there, little buddy. Let's just put you back in there. I did really like this prop before. Now I'm not so sure. I'm gonna keep it in storage, I think. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Right, who just messaged me? Oh my God, good job No, I've still got Facebook open. What? They could have messaged me in between your recording and f***ed it up. They could have done that to anyone. Well, now it's closed. Now it's closed. We're good. Wow, so professional. So hopefully all the ball cap will look like the whole thing's being held together with kind of like straps. I'll sneeze. No. Oh no. 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 Oh, only 3. Wait. Oh God, this is gonna hurt later on. Oh, that wasn't very festive at all. Oh crap, come on, just start the bloody thing. This is getting really tedious and really old really fast. That wasn't that many. Oh. No, we're good. Poo. Don't I look glorious? I could just end the video now and say this is the tutorial. Ha! Do I dare?
Now
Oh, no, I don't dare light it. Oh, I'm trying to screw them in. So I'm going to pop on my sunglasses and take a relatively medium brush, dip that in the Krollen I'm an adult. Take a medium brush, take my Krollen red cream, and I can start tracing on a shape. Oh, you mother fluffer. Take a relatively medium brush. Relatively? Why has everything got to be relatively? It's relative. It's a brush. I could just say small. I could just say medium. I could just... It's hot and I'm getting worked up. And then I can take a medium fluffy brush. It's not a fluffy brush. It's too hot. So I'm just going to go roughly around my nose, around my eyes, and then go back towards the handles. Are they called handles? What are they called? Arms? Sunglasses arms. I don't think I've ever heard anyone reference what these bits are called. What are they called? Sunglass flappers? I don't... Bring it. No, you know what? No. Let go, I'm going away. Don't want to anymore. No. I forgot there's a wall there. Do we want to know what I broke? Huh. It's like Schrodinger's accident. If I don't take my headset off, I didn't break the thing I broke. That's good. That's fine. Then I'm just taking a large fluffy Then I'm just taking some regularly. I'm taking some regularly talc compound. Regularly. Oh my god, I think my brain's broken. It's like rhinosaurus all over it. Rhinosaur. Oh no, I've forgotten rhinosaurus. Rhinosaurus. Mother fluffer! I'm going to take some regular talcum powder and it's a rhinoceros. There you go.